Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about how to make followers in Facebook. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone who wants to share your thoughts with the world, having a large following on Facebook can be a great way to reach your audience. Here are a few tips on how to make followers in Facebook. Create high-quality content. This is the most important tip. People are more likely to follow you if you post content that is informative, entertaining, or useful. Make sure your posts are well-written and visually appealing. Post regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to gaining followers on social media. Aim to post at least once a day, but don't be afraid to post more often if you have the time. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments and questions and participate in relevant conversations. The more engaged you are with your audience, the more likely they are to stick around. Promote your Facebook page, share your page on your other social media accounts, and encourage your friends and family to follow you. You can also run Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. Making followers in Facebook takes time and effort, but it's definitely possible if you follow these tips. Just remember to create high-quality content, post regularly, and interact with your audience. And don't be afraid to promote your page to reach a wider audience. Hope this helps. If you need more, click subscribe for more exciting future videos.